Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning into another video. So today we're going to be talking about 4 things that help me pivot to become a better day trader. And these 4 things basically help it more easier for me to become a better day trader. And hopefully these tips can also help benefit you to become a better day trader. So the first thing on the list is understanding how to read level 2. Learning how to read level 2 is very crucial. If not, this is one of the main things you should actually learn how to read when you're day trading or just trading overall. The reason why you want to learn this is because it tells a story. Once you understand how to read the level 2, you can see all the bids, the people that are buying, the people that are stacking up on the buying section. And you can also see the ask, how many people are stacking up on the ask that are trying to sell their position, right? So once you can understand this, you can understand what's going to happen or what's happening at that present moment to decide if you want to take the trade or not, depending on if you want to buy or if you want to actually short the stock, right? So if you understand how to do this, you will have a better understanding of what's going on. And once you have an understanding of what's going on, you basically put yourself in a position that is one step ahead of other traders that's out there. So definitely understand how to read the level 2 because you will be in a better position in the know than the people or the person that's trading that don't know how to read it. The second thing that helped me learn how to benefit in the stock market is understanding the key areas in the stock market. So key areas are, for me, what I'm talking about or referring to is whole dollar and half dollar price range. These are psychological price ranges that there are support and also resistance. Once you understand these key areas, you understand where to enter and where to exit, because you know that if you reach at a whole dollar and you're trying to break through it, you're more likely going to get a sign of resistance. It can break through and flush back down, and sometimes it break through, flush down, and then go back and retest and continue to go high. So if you do not want to be in that turbulence, you can understand the price range you want to enter before you reach to that support. If you're, using that support, if the price go down and touch it for a bounce, or resistant if you're looking to go up and price hit it, it might come back down, right? So once you understand that, you will be one step ahead because now you will know to get in a little bit more earlier before you reach to that key area. So that's what helped me understand a little bit more when to enter early before I reach in that turbulence area of that key area. And the third thing that helped me become a better trader is learning how to find the right stocks to trade each and every day. And this is one of the biggest things that most traders have an issue with. It's very easy to resolve. All you have to do is find the right software or scanning system that can help you find these right stocks. They have free ones and they also have the paid one. And sometimes your broker platform also offers some of these scanners. You just have to know how to tweak them based on your criteria. So once you find the right stock to trade, you're already one step ahead to becoming a better trader. Because most people, they see stocks going up, but it might not have the right criteria to jump in. So just because a stock is going up or down doesn't mean you should be jumping in right away. It have to complete or fulfill certain criteria that make it a strong candidate to actually trade. You don't want to just jump in blindly because it's going up or going down if you're shorting. You want to make sure it have the right criteria to say, okay, this is a strong stock to trade in whatever direction you want it to be going, right? So remember, you have to learn how to find the right stocks. And the fourth thing that helped me become a better trader is worrying about myself. Stop worrying about other people's growth. Everyone have a different journey. So you might see videos of people flaunting, I made 3,000 here, 10,000 this day, 16,000 this day. But the question is, can they do it consistently? You just have to focus about your growth. Stop worrying about them. And majority of the time, some of them have been doing it for a long time. So they went through the phase of failing multiple times until they became successful and became consistent. So now it's your turn to worry about your consistency and your success. We was babies at one point. We had to creep before we walk. But anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Those are the 4 things that helped me become a better day trader. And hopefully you guys took something from this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question, and I will be answering it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's Key Life Trading. Peace.